Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a Vue.js PDF editor with the help of which you can be able to sign, add watermark and encrypt your PDF directly in browser. This is the overall project of Vue.js. All the components are divided into its appropriate files. So I've given the link, you can directly purchase the full source code. This is the overall project. It's actually using the latest version of Vue. View router as you can just see and JSPDF which is a PDF processing library. So we are running this project on localhost as you can just see. So once you purchase it you will get all the source code from Google Drive automatically. So it's also very easy for you to deploy this. So now let me show you the demo of this application. So here you first of all need to add a PDF file that needs to be edited. So once you add the PDF file it will show you the live preview. You click on next step and here it will show you the total number of pages right here with live preview. So we have all the controls right here to actually read the PDF file. So this shows the total number of pages. So now for digitally signing the PDF file, we have these controls out there. So here you can add your signature. So just digitally sign as you can just see and just you can place the signature, adjust the size wherever you need to place it. So it's very easy. After that, we also have the capability to add images as well. So here you can upload your image. I've already uploaded this. So then we have this option of watermark. So you can add this image as watermark. So once you click, now this will be added as a watermark in the background. As you can just see here, then you can adjust the size. You can just see. Now you come to the second page. You also have the capability to add some text here. So here you can add any text here and then place it. And then lastly, we also have capability, then you export the output file here. You click on download and here you can encrypt your PDF file as well. So here you can enter a password and then it will ask you for the password as well. So here you need to enter the correct password and then open the output file. So you will see the PDF file is automatically edited with all the digital signature, images, the text, everything is added. So if you're interested in this project guys, in this PDF editor which allows you to digitally sign, encrypt and edit your PDF file directly in the browser. It's a single page application. All the processing is happening directly in the browser. So you can just see here, this shows the total number of files that you edited. So it's really easy. If you're interested in this project, the link is given. You can directly purchase the full source code.